Hello and welcome back to Ithiverse Lovelies. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. I used to put videos on Thursdays usually, but now I've started it on Saturdays. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you all how to get this summer wedding makeup look. So I think I've spoken enough and we shall just get into the video. So let's get started. Before applying makeup, please make sure that your face is all clean. So let's get started with the base. I usually prime my face first with rose water, aloe vera gel and my moisturizer, and then I apply Maybelline primer. Primer helps to blur out the reddish skin and dark patches. After my primer, I'm going to take Lakme CC cream in the shade bronze and I'm going to apply it first with my fingers and then blend it with the beauty blender. In my opinion, using CC or BB cream gives us the advantage of skipping the step of concealer. Now I'm going to use My Glam Lit Liquid Lipstick and it is in the shade My Oh My. I'm going to show you one lipstick and 3 tricks. So number 1, we are going to use it as a cream blush. Just apply a little bit of it and then blend it with a beauty blender and you're done. Please keep watching the video till the end to see how to win a free lipstick. After this, I'm going to use a compact by K Play and it is in the shade 01 French Vanilla and it smells awesome. So I'm going to use it as my setting powder. Spoken about free lipstick in my previous video also, but a lot of people are getting errors in this, so I've explained it in detail. Now I'm going to use a lip balm by My Glam Lit and it is Pièce Balance and it also has a slightly pinkish tint. So now let's get going with the contouring. For this I'm going to use a beauty blending brush and a brown eyeshadow and this is how I'm going to do my contouring. Now just take a beauty blender and blend it all in your makeup. After this, let's do the brows. So first of all, you have to comb your brows. This is a necessary step. And then fill in with a black eyeshadow or a brow gel. And then comb it again to make it look even and natural. I'm going to use Beauty Glazed Color Board for my eyeshadow and I'm using a lighter brown shade as a transition shade and just blending it over my crease. After this, I'm going to show you the second trick of the lipstick. Take a little amount of lipstick, apply it on your crease and blend it with your fingers. Repeat the same on the second eye and then you have to take a pinkish or reddish eyeshadow to blend it over it so that it will look more dense and well blended. Also, don't forget to apply the same shade on your lower lash line to enhance the eye makeup. After this, I'm going to take a shimmery shade from the Beauty Glazed palette and I'm going to apply it in the inner corners of my crease till my eyeball only. I'm using just my fingers to blend it. After this, I'm going to take an eyeliner pencil from My Glam, which is in the shade The Girl Crush, and I'm going to make a winged eyeliner with it. Almost done. Now let's take Maybelline Colossal Kajal and just apply a little bit of it to again enhance the eye makeup. Now let's turn towards the lashes and let's curl it with a curler. And then I'll be using Maybelline mascara and apply 2-3 coats of it This will give a dramatic and dense look to my lashes. And then I will curl it and comb it again to make it look lengthy and voluminous. All done with the eyes. Now let's move on to the lips. Do I even have to say which lip shade I'm going to use? You're right, I'm going to use the third trick and the same lipstick, which is My Glam Lit Liquid Lipstick. And yes, I'm going to apply it like that. I'll be finishing off with some powder blush and highlighter. All done. Now I'll just complete the look with some accessories and jewelries. So I'll just quickly show you all. This compact is from K-Play and it is in the flavor vanilla, and it is so smooth while applying. It just glides on very perfectly, and you all just can see the texture of my skin, how it has turned it. So I really love this compact, and it was in the shade of 101 French Vanilla. And the second thing that I'm going to show you is this My Glam Lit Liquid Lipstick, which I have recently spoke about in my previous video. So yeah, it is in the shade My Oh My, which is VM09. Okay, so if you all want a free lipstick, you all just can visit the link in my description. The description box is just below. You can just visit the link in the description, fill out the survey, use my code as referral code, which is SHIN1073. If you're getting any issues while filling out the survey on the website, I request you to please download the app and use my referral code. I'm repeating referral code and not promo code. Okay, use my referral code SHIN1073, and yeah, you'll have to just fill out the survey, and that's it, and claim your free lipstick and pay 99 rupees, which is just the shipping charges. The actual price of this lipstick is 395 rupees, but you all are getting this at just 99 rupees. It is totally vegan and cruelty free and approved by PETA. The next thing that I'm going to show you is this lip balm by My Glam. Again, it is lit lip balm, and let me tell you that it is not the usual lip balms. Okay, it is it is pH balanced, and it also has slightly a tint in it, but simultaneously it also moisturizes your lips, and it has vitamin E in it. The next thing I'll be showing you is this eyeliner pencil from My Glam, and it was like in a green color. This is its shade, the actual shade. Okay, and the shade name is The Girl Crush, and I have applied it over here. So it is very smooth, and it is not rough and kind of, and it is very, smooth to apply. So I think I am almost done. Yeah, okay, so that were the products that I recently got from My Glam. So if you all want a discount on My Glam, you can just visit the second link in my description. I have just mentioned it as discount link, so you can just visit the link and you will get 150 rupees as a discount. So again, you will have to just select your products, add it in the cart. Okay, and if you purchase something about like 500 rupees, they also apply a promo code, so you should definitely check it out. So yeah, that was it. I think I have said enough, and that is it for today. So let me know in the comments how much you like this look. Please don't forget to share it, because this is the wedding season, but yes, this is also a season which India is facing right now, which is very critical. I request you all to please stay at home. Please postpone your functions if possible, and keep trying this look at home for your D-Day or for your special day. It's not necessary to be a day. Okay, so yeah, I'm sending lots of positivity, hope and prayers to everyone who is in trouble right now. I hope you all recover soon, and I hope the happy days will be back soon. So yeah, that's it. Please leave a like, leave a comment, share my video, and please don't forget to subscribe also. We will meet very soon. Until then, see you.